Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest device from Motorola in India, the Motorola One Power. So this is an Android One powered smartphone announced in India for the price of rupees 15,999 and comes with quite good specification. It is powered by the Snapdragon 636 octa-core chipset, and it has massive 5000 mAh capacity battery, and this is under Android One platform, so updates are promised by Google. So this is the box packing of the Moto One Power. So the device is also called as the Moto P30 Note. So you can see that it is also mentioned here. Moto P30 Note is mentioned here, and this is the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant, and the color is black, and we can see some specifications mentioned in the back panel. It has 15.7 inches Full HD plus resolution, and this is 19:9 aspect ratio with a notch, and it has 5000 mAh capacity battery with a turbo power charging. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 636 octa-core chipset. The rear camera is a 16 and 5 megapixel camera combination, f-stop 1.8 aperture, and we have a 12 megapixel f2.0 camera for selfies, and this has the 5000 mAh capacity battery. That's a highlight of the device. So let's get started with unboxing. You can also see the Android One logo here. So opening up on the top, you can see the Moto One Power. So the case is also included with the box. So let's just remove this case for a while. So the case looks quite good for the device, and this is the Moto One Power, and this is finished in metal, and this is the dual camera 13 and 5 megapixel camera, 16 and 5 megapixel camera combination, dual LED flash. The fingerprint scanner is having the Moto logo as well. Android One is mentioned here, and at the bottom we have the USB Type-C port. That's quite good. The speaker unit is also placed. The top portion has a 3.5mm audio jack, and we have the power and volume keys included, and here we have the SIM tray, and on the front panel we have this notch as well. So let's just peel off the film, protective film, and you can see the Motorola logo at the top. The bezels are quite minimal. That's quite good enough, and the device has slight weight because of the larger capacity battery, but it's quite manageable even with a higher capacity battery. So let's boot the device, and in the meantime let's see what all comes inside the box. Apart from this, we have also shown you the case which is available, so that gives it good protection, and then we have the readme guide. Legal safety and warranty information is included, so all the steps are included here. Then we have the SAR value mentioned here, so you can see that in case you are interested, this is the SAR value of the Moto One Power. So that's the manuals and other information. So you get a SIM ejector pin. Then we have this turbo power adapter. So let's just have a look at the voltage rating of the turbo power adapter. So there you go. You can see that it has multiple rating: 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere, and 12 volt 1.5 ampere. So that's a turbo power charging of the Moto One Power. Then you have this standard USB-C type cable included. So that's all inside the box. You don't see any earphones. No, that's no earphones in this. So that's all inside the box. Now let's boot the device. So that's the Moto One Power, and you can see the large display. It is a Full HD plus resolution display, and we have the notch as well, and the bezels are quite okay. It's not that high, and you can see that it has a really good display quality as well. The touch response feels smooth, and we have the Snapdragon 636 octa-core chipset powering this device, and this also has Dolby audio, so that makes it again really good, because if you're a person who loves listening to a lot of music or watching movies or multimedia, the Dolby audio is quite good enough, and we also have the FM radio app included. So other than that, it's pretty stock. You can see that no other third-party apps are installed apart from the Moto app. We'll come back to the Moto app here. So this is the UI. You can see about system Android 8.1, and this is the latest security patch is from August 1st, and let's also see the Moto app. So Moto app is one app which provides additional features. You can see that Moto actions are included, chop twice for flashlight, then twist for quick capture, then Moto display is also included. You get the notifications, and Moto display shows the clock and other details while the display is turned off. So that's the Moto display. Software wise, it's refreshing the stock Android One, and updates will be provided directly by Google, and this will be getting the Android Pie update this year itself. So that's a promise from Motorola. So that's the software, and the performance is we should be getting good performance because it's a Snapdragon 636, which is a really powerful chipset in this price segment. Now let's have a look at the camera. So this is one area where we have a dual camera setup. So the camera interface is quite similar to what we have seen on the Moto G6. So you can see that this has some options included. So the interface looks quite good with HDR mode and video recording available. So if you just swipe, you can see the portrait mode and expert mode also included. And in the video recording, the maximum supported is 4K. That's supported. You can see here it supports 4K resolution. We'll check if there is EIS support. That will confirm when we do the camera review. So right now we'll just see some samples we have taken with the Moto One Power after unboxing the device. So here are the samples. We'll also be coming up with a detailed camera review of this device, so stay tuned for that. And we'll also be comparing with other smartphones in this price segment, namely the Redmi Note 5 Pro and the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. The device also comes with a 12 megapixel selfie camera, which should be quite good enough. Now the highlight of the device is the 5000 mAh capacity battery. That should be good enough for more than 2 days of battery life, which is really good again, and this also has turbo power charging, so that again adds value because high capacity battery and fast charging is supported. That makes the battery life really great, and you don't have to worry about that. So the device is priced 15,999 and will be available starting October 4th, and this is a good offering in this price segment, especially with the Snapdragon 636 and 4GB RAM and 64GB storage being offered along with Android One platform. So this is Norman signing off with the unboxing and hands-on with the Moto One Power. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.